Morning, I'm Arthur Tristan Ramos of BSIT 2A. I'm going to introduce to you Sony PlayStation 4 for the DDMS project called Gadget Review. Enjoy watching, and I hope you will learn anything about Sony PlayStation 4 after you watch this video. PlayStation 4, now it's in rest mode. If it has orange light in it, it means it's in rest mode. Okay, it's connected to the TV. How is it connected to the TV? PS4 has an HDMI compartment. Now, it has an HDMI port, of course, and it has an HDMI cable. Your TV should have an HDMI port where the HDMI cable is connected, right there. So it will be connected to the PS4. Now, how to connect internet to the PS4? Either use LAN cable to the router, or without LAN cable, you can connect it to Wi-Fi, which is one unique feature of PS4. In the PlayStation 4, in the console itself, the light is orange because it is in rest mode. Now let's turn on the Sony PlayStation 4. You heard the sound. When you turn it on, it becomes blue and it blinks for a while. And then the light becomes white. Other PlayStations, you can connect to Wi-Fi using PlayStation 4. Now let's enter the internet browser. Okay? Using Wi-Fi or either LAN cable connection, you can connect to the internet. You can go to every site you want to go. Example, YouTube. You can watch YouTube videos using Sony PlayStation 4. Okay, let's try to watch some videos. Okay. Because it is connected via LAN, you can watch the video in YouTube using PS4. Okay. Here's a sample of the video. That's what I like with Ramos. It's awesome, right? Now, let's go to Facebook. You can socialize with your friends using Facebook using PS4. As you can see, you're now connected to Facebook using PS4. It is one of the great features of PS4. You can connect freely to Wi-Fi or via LAN. Just use a LAN cable to the router of Wi-Fi, or you can connect freely using only Wi-Fi instead of LAN cable. But for faster internet connection, you can use LAN cable because it has a LAN cable port here. Here's a LAN cable. See, as I've said earlier, you can socialize in Facebook using PS4. So while you're gaming, you can socialize. That's one awesome feature of Sony PlayStation 4. Now let's move on to the next topic, which is entering a CD to a PS4. Here is a sample of a game in PS4, specifically named Overwatch, which is one of popular but expensive games in PS4 and also in PC, but we are now using the PS4 version. Just to remember, PS4 only accepts original games, it doesn't accept pirated games. One best feature of PS4 is that you only let it sense the CD instead of clicking a button, then the tray will come out, then put the button, then click the button again to put inside the CD. But it goes like this. Just wait. Now my collaborator is playing Overwatch using PS4. Now, how does he control his character here? My collaborator is using Sony PS4 now reworked controller. Now let's tell about some features of this controller later on after he plays this game. Thank you. Let's now watch some features of gameplay. Oh, Overwatch is awesome. That's what. And I should not forget, gamers love PS4 because PS4 contains many games that are available worldwide. I repeat, PS4 contains awesome games that can be bought and played using the PS4, obviously. And we assure you, this PS4 gives you the best gamer experience ever to us gamers. Now enjoy the video while you watch some gameplay of Overwatch here. But we are specifically highlighting the features, the awesome features of PS4. Best gamer experience ever. Use PS4. And many of games available in PS4 are popular always worldwide. Okay, now we're back. Here's the PS4 controller. Now the unique features of the PS4 controller are it now has a touchpad. And instead of select and start, it has now share and options. And then before we use 1, 2, 3, 4 to determine who is player 1, who is player 2, player 3, and player 4 respectively. Now we use color coding instead. And the PS4 controller still has some all of usual control buttons. L1, L2, R1, and R2. And still the same with triangle, square, circle, and X. It still has 2 joysticks for movement commonly. These 8 buttons, as said earlier, are used for specific commands, especially in games. We still have the PlayStation button, which is one unique feature is the speaker right here. The PlayStation button, it's used to go to the PlayStation menu, and the PlayStation still has the arrow keys. Now that's all for the PS4 controller. Oh, almost forgot. This port is used for charging this controller to the PS4. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned a lot about Sony PlayStation 4 after watching this video. And I want to thank my best friend, who is my collaborator, who is the owner of the PS4. He lent me the PS4 for my Gadget review DDMS project to Mr. Ronnie Luy. Thank you also, sir, for this project. Now here's my best friend. Okay. Thank you, bro. God bless. Thank you and God bless.